Abe, eat chicken up. My God here. All eat that them man. Watch this. The whole of the Alkaline fan them what did I say? The whole of the Alkaline fan them what did I say? Before I suck up my mother and left the boy alone and him hide them no fake and him a bad man and the man doing thing for real and him really sticking eagle in her eye and tattoo up in my eyeball and them thing there. I don't tell them if I go suck out for the mother because I don't believe some man to tell man about suck out the mother and them thing there. Them thing there lame. You hear me? Hold on to look like fool. And hear what? I said this already, I'm going to say it again. You see when people get made a fool of, them get embarrassed. Them get embarrassed to the point where them come out and say shit like this. Well, I don't even care. It doesn't really matter anyways because him song them good. I'm a rate him same way and come off of the youth name man. And hey dog, stop calling up a man name man because if you don't really like him, you still a big him up and you still a give him. Listen, I'm not an Alkaline hater. SouFLoTv is not an Alkaline hater. SouFLoTv talk the truth. That is what we do. And it don't matter who, we still talk the truth. All when we like them music, all when we like what I'm going with, although certain things we do and say, we burn it out completely. But we still say, it's a ghetto youth, the youth are one away from yard. And them bust across the world and them not rob nobody and them not kill nobody for make him living. So why would I be a hater to Alkaline? Some of us are blood clean, stupid. Some of us are dunce. Some of us are idiot. Some of us can't even say, yo, there's a difference between speaking the truth and actually hating somebody. Nowadays, the new generation, them call speaking the truth, hating. Or you a hater, man. Or hey dog, or you hate the man, so. Or you hate for the man thing, so. And low off for the man name, man. Yo, dog, gonna simmer on the blood clot self, dog. But telling us that the man did having some fake contact lens in him. Blood and skirt eye. You see it now? On the good now? Alright. And look, I know me alone did I say so. But me say it long time ago. And the funny thing is, me even show the picture them. Me show a picture from long time ago. Me show a picture where they catch him already without them. Me show a picture where the man himself post and take it back down. He must see the drunk or high or something and put and take it back down. If people them still say, oh, you believe that's Alkaline? That's not Alkaline. That's somebody else that kind of look like Alkaline. Say blood clean. Yo, and that's why I say why Jamaica in the condition that it's in a dog. Because Jamaica is a beautiful country, but it's full of a whole heap of idiot people. Jano. Anyway, big up to Alkaline, man. Because Alkaline, you don't do nothing different than what pastor them in our church I do here. You fool the whole congregation, your congregation. Them give the whole of them offering. In your case, them give the whole of them support. And them spend them money on your merchandise, aka your music and them thing there. And you reach, across the waters and you're traveling the world and you're doing the thing, doggy. So, you don't have to worry about bread and butter for dinner again. You know what I say? I steak, shrimps and lobster and them thing there. So up with yourself, Alkaline, at 2016, no hate around here, dog. A long time we are telling people them do, and just some of your idiot fan them can't relate. Some of your idiot fan them can't separate truth from dissing. So when me say, in your them fake, then say me a dissing. So thank you Alkaline for coming out and showing the people them that the eyes are fake. People on the pre the picture don't. Pre the picture them again. The man eye fake, he finally admitted to you know care no more, I show it. Alright. Some of the subscribers come on and them say, yo, SouFLoTv, dump on that one here, quick. Do that one here. That one here set Alkaline steal Vybz Kartel next move. No sir, me not jump on that one there. Big up on yourself still in the car, I'm a real supporter. I can't tell how much time I come on I'm sooner. Big up on yourself still. But like I said to two hours, and I said to everybody else for SouFLoTv now, I feel that the thing kinda dead down now, you know? Well, there is nothing there in my eyes and SouFLoTv eyes, there is nothing that Alkaline can do from this point where me now go probably look on it and say, and see some Vybz Kartel in it. And see some of it that, it's just like a Chris Brown then. There's nothing Chris Brown do that me not look on it and see some Michael Jackson in it. The difference is Chris Brown will come out and say, yeah, Michael Jackson is him great idol. And them kind of thing there. So, it's a man will emulate Vybz Kartel. You see me I say? But, and a little voice note them when me I hear from him casting over so-called ghostwriter and them thing there. Them thing they are more thing to stir up more blouse and skirt controversy. And the two of them go there all bum fist and I say, yes my youth, run the next one again. And splice it up. The thing sounds splice up and put together and well, anyway, hear me I say. Me not know nothing more about him concerning that. He must go do something way different. Alright? But don't tell him, I mean I do this just to prove my point. So anybody who will come by here and say me not prove my point, like I said before, may I say it again before I get out of here. This is SouFLoTv, man, and big up on yourself. And you know, say, like, comment, share, and subscribe on them thing there.